तमिलनाडु से आए अरुण राजन सूरजकुंड मेले में लकड़ी से बनी सुंदर कलाकृतियां लेकर आए हैं। ये वहां की परंपरागत कला है जिन्हें शिल्पकार अपने हाथों से तैयार करते हैं। ये 10 साल से लगातार सूरजकुंड मेले में आ रहे हैं।
My name is Arul Rajan.
From where you are from?
I am coming from Tamilnadu.
Okay.
Yeah.
ये कला क्या है? What is this?
ये colors these are all are decorating woods. We are coming more than 10 years. So this color very much important to all the temple in all over Tamil Nadu. So all are made by neem based wood.
अपनी कलाकृतियों में ये अधिकतर नीम की लकड़ी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इनके अनुसार इनकी उम्र 100 से 200 साल के लगभग होती है। ये यहाँ मुख्य तौर पर लकड़ी से बनी भगवान की मूर्तियों को लेकर आए हैं। तमिलनाडु और साउथ इंडिया की ये ट्रेडिशनल वुड है जिसका प्रयोग घरों, मंदिरों और पूजा रूम में भी किया जाता है।
Wood carving. This is very long life wood. Okay, it is very actually traditional also in Tamil Nadu, all over South India. All people are using in their home as well as in puja room also they are putting. So it is very much useful all type of peoples.
कौन सा wood इसमें आप इस्तेमाल
It is
करते हैं?
mostly all are made by neem based wood. Neem wood will be actually anti-corrosive woods also. It's a generation gap. The life more than 100, 200 years it's coming. So it will be very strong wood only. Yeah, we are having a handwork people. So many in Tamil may say asarya. They will well trained. In traditionally they are doing that job only. They are carving in hand. May see bada murti they will do in 3 months 4 months in hand working.
इनके पास 2000 से लेकर 8 लाख रुपए तक की कलाकृतियां हैं।
Our contact number.
स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से होती है?
Yeah, starting 2000 from 8 lakhs. That's depending upon the size of the wood and nature of the work.
ये गणेश जी
Yeah.
की मूर्ति बड़ी सुंदर लग रही है। क्या क्या इसमें इस्तेमाल किया गया है? कुछ बताइए इसके
Yeah,
बारे में।
this is actually based on is their beadam. This is called side may, na? Side may two. This beadam is there. One top is there, but we are not yet all putting that top. Mostly this is 4.5 lakhs cost about it. So very nice wood. It will be keeping in mostly they will keep in most temple as well as in puja room also they will keep it in bada. So it will be.
और आइटम्स भी है सरस्वती माता की मूर्ति में।
Yeah, Mata, decorative this bad like this thing there. The hangover is there. Then this what do you call? Small statue also there. See like this small elephant. This will be handing like TV like that. We have to hang something in all instruments. Stand like you have to keep it, no? Stand like. So in that is pillar. You have to use in pillar. In home building traditional. That is pillar type. Also we are making. Then what we were. Then yali also there. One type of yali. See this? That is yali. Very famous. That one. The house entrance or office entrance they will keep. That is called as yali. Focus this one. Big. This is actually 2 pair coming. 2. Maybe 50,000 I think, sir. Please wait. It's coming original.
It hasn't turned up yet.
Yeah. So this is yali. See, one more piece is there, no? That is called yali. Yeah. They see this. And yeah, this is Nataraja, no? What is who? Yeah, this is some. Yeah. This is God. One of the God unique. I don't know how to explain that. See, Narasimha, like this is in Tamil, God Narasimha Avadar. Narasimha Avadar. Yeah, Narasimhan God actually.
आप इनसे ये कैसे खरीदें, उसके लिए अरुण राजन आपको अपना मोबाइल नंबर बता रहे हैं।
I will give my number. My number is actually 9591264118.
ऐसी ही और अच्छी वीडियोस के लिए देखते रहिए हमारा चैनल दस्तक इंडिया।